Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. TGI ka. We are going to Taytay, Rizal.
The garments capital of the Philippines. Last time we were at the shoe capital.
Now we will go to
The garment capital of the Philippines.
Yay! So, next week, doon naman tayo sa summer capital of the Philippines. Punta rin tayo ng surfing capital of the Philippines. Ang dami natin pupunta. Alright. Yep. Okay guys, see you around.
See ya!
Guys, dahil Valentine's na, ang dami ng mga flowers. Yan. For Valentine's Day. So, hi mo ni Kuya. Sa Paris. Going to Taytay. And guess what guys? 118 pesos lang ang fare. Cheaper pag mag-bus talaga. At aircon pa.
Hindi nandyan. Yan po. Pasok po sir. Yeah.
Lang.
Yeah. This is good, right?
Yeah, yung kailan na ganito. Pwede na ito commission nyo.
Maganda. Maganda yung mga ganyan, no?
Yeah, commission din isa.
Yeah. Magkano? 4 hours.
Guys, we're walking towards the new municipality dito. Kanina doon daw yung luma. So, right now, punta kami doon sa motor show area. Yung mga activities doon. So guys, finally we're here sa bagong munisipyo. Okay, ito yung
Car and motor show
Car and Motor Show.
event.
Okay guys, we'll show you around. So guys, napakaganda ng kanilang bagong munisipyo. Ayun oh.
Siyempre, acknowledge rin natin. Hindi po sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-register.
So finally, nandito tayo sa Taytay Rizal. Garment capital of the Philippines. Kanina marami kaming nadaanan na Changi. And later babalik kami. Pupunta kami ngayon sa car motor show, right? And bisitahin din namin ang kanilang bagong city hall.
Tourism office.
Kasama natin
Yes.
ngayong tanghali.
Alright. Munisipyo ng Rizal.
And of course, promote natin ang SPAD. Ang assembly dito po sa harapan mismo ng munisipyo. Kasama natin of course ang ating team sa Taytay para sa makulay at nakangiting bayan ng mundo.
So meron silang pictures ng mga mayors.
Dagdagan mo ng sukat sa mga dad. One siomay. Ayaw niya.
Magiging ako yung
Hello, sound check. Hello, sound check.
Yung cheese bomb ko na 40 sa 70.
Alright, so once again, grabe na number one. Assembly po natin is 1:30 p.m. per hour Whopper Deep. So invite po natin everyone na standby na po tayo. Mga lamang nagsisimula na po ang ating Whopper Deep.
Magkano po yung water niyo?
25.
And Boss Michael Aklar.
Okay, you can get yours.
Wi-Fi by the way.
I don't.
Ay, nagpanood po kayo ngayon.
May for swimming, oh. It's alright, guys. We already arrived from Taytay Rizal at napakaganda po ng aming family dates.
We were able to try out lots of food and we didn't know that there's like a motorcycle show
Yep.
and we were able to see lots of motorcycles. We didn't expect it to be so loud.
So
It was
again,
actually pretty loud.
we had a great day today sa Taytay Rizal. So, thank you very much. Ella was able to take a lot of photos, right?
Yeah.
And she enjoyed it. This is her first time to take photos from the professional camera and she loved it.
I like photography.
Yeah, she really want to start photography, right?
Yes.
Thank you. Bye.